Welcome back to Shravan Science channel. Shravan is back with new experiment. I am going to show you YouTubers how to make a chicken sound through my experiment. A chicken make a chicken sound like this. Sorry guys, my friend made me laugh and it's all his fault. And I am going to continue the experiment. So, for this experiment, I need a pink cup and a yellow string and a pin. And make sure the pin is tied to the pin. The string is tied to the pin. We need this stuff for the experiment. Also need a quarter cup of water. First, we poke a hole in the pink colored cup and then we insert the string in the cup, and this is how a string and a cup looks like joined together. Now I have to make my hands wet before I do my experiment, like this. This is the interesting part, guys. I am gonna create a chicken sound. Watch this. Basically, when the sound wave vibrates inside the air chamber of the cup, it makes sound in the cup. That's how we get the chicken sound. I hope I explained my experiment clearly to you. I'll meet you in the next experiment. Thank you for subscribing to our channel.